Good morning, friends. Welcome back, YouTube. Hope you had a great weekend. I did. It's pretty chill. Got away from the charts, got away from trading. Friday was annoying, and a lot of people were feeling it too. And if you didn't have rules, Friday would have been very aggravating. I mean, it was. And yeah, you got to know when to quit. So what are we looking at moving forward? Well, we got this wild new week opening gap here. So have that puppy on your chart. And it's going to be very salient moving forward. Now, I am in love with the fact that it's going down first. I love it. Happy camper. I'm just getting into the charts now. I just got back from a road trip. Took my family to a thing, and then we went for dinner, and now you just go back and chilling out now. And so yeah, have that level on your chart as well. That's going to be pretty sweet. Now, if we start digging in here, I'm going to use likely that guy right there first, okay? And then I'm not going to have it there, but just keep that candles open in the back of your mind. And if we dig through this, then that's going to be the next spot. And then I'll keep moving lower into, there's going to be certain areas inside of that candle that I really might want to key off of. Now, here's the kicker, okay? Like, I want to front run the idea that this is the swing low, and that's going to be the bottom. And that's the bottom for this quarter. Final quarter of the calendar year. So what I'm aiming for, no, that's handy. That thing's receipt heavy. What I'm aiming for is the previous day high. And that is inside of this bearish order block, which we've used a couple of times now. So there's going to be a lot of sensitivity in here. So essentially, I'm aiming for the all-time high still. So the previous day before that would be this high here. And so I'm not going to have this on the chart, but you should grade this candle. Okay? And use that for your order flow analysis. I just don't want a lot on my chart. This is already plenty. So even if it does come and revisit this tail, I'll invite it. I'm not going to deem myself offside. Where I consider myself offside is 24,365 on a daily close. We do that, and then I will be like, okay, we're bearish. Let's aim for some stuff below the market. But for now, I'm going up. And I don't believe we're going to revisit that right now. And again, we could. And I could be completely wrong. And I'll be happy with that. Because there's still a lot of movement from up here to down here. Because by the time it starts crashing, it's going to be obvious that my bullish bias is completely offside. I do see that there's a double bottom below the market. Okay, I get it. I see it. There's another one there too. Okay, I'm down with it. There's another one there too. Okay, there's lots of liquidity below the market if it wants to go there. But right now, order flow looks bullish. It really does. So I'm going to go with that. So yeah, these are the levels that I'm looking at moving forward. And so the weekly chart, we have a swing low here in the discount market. Kind of equilibrium, but that was well good enough. You see how we've opened here above that candle's close, and see how we closed last week above this candle here? I am really, really excited. Now, do I think that it's going to bounce off of this level here? Look, if this is the bottom right here where we're at, I will laugh, but I'm permitting price to come and want to dig into here, okay? So that green level on the weekly chart just happens to be consequent encroachment of this rejection block, which just digs into this candle just ever so gently. So that's very cool. All right. And aiming for previous week's high and previous week's high there. So even if we come, you know, a little bit deeper, maybe into that tail, I'm not going to fight it. I'm just going to keep catching bottoms. I'm in my opinion, it wants to reprice a lot higher, much higher, and one of these close levels is going to be the bottom. Have fun, you guys. God bless you all. Thank you all for joining, and we will see you likely tomorrow. As long as something cool happens, we'll see you tomorrow. Be safe.